If you look into the car industry, the vehicle industry, Toyota, Honda, Hyundai, Kia, whatever car manufacturer, don't you see they are changing the models every year? Sometimes they even come up with 2 new models every single year. Why are these manufacturers come up with new models? Because they know the buyers, the drivers, the users have changing needs. They have different needs from year to year. And you have different market segment. The younger generation, they will prefer a younger look, a younger model. So they constantly produce new model to suit the changing needs of the drivers and the users. This is similar in the training industry. For you to stay relevant and to be up to date, you need to upgrade your skill, your competency all the time. So I have one great Sifu who told me the trainer who wants to stop learning should also stop teaching. The trainer who stops learning should also stop training. The trainer who wants to stop learning should also stop speaking. Ladies and gentlemen, it is so true because you cannot solve the current problem of your clients with the method that you used yesterday, with the method you used yesterday. You need to upgrade yourself to stay current and to stay relevant. Therefore, as a trainer, you are a learning machine. You are a learning machine that constantly upgrade yourself with tools and technology and the knowledge and the information so that you can solve the latest problem the clients throw at you. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to know more about our UK certification on becoming a global trainer, call the number below 019-3944-727. I'll be happy enough to bring you to a free coaching session with you, or I will invite you to my next webinar and we can get to know each other better and I can know how to help you. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it useful, please share my video. Thank you very much.